let's shift focus to our debate number 2, and it concerns the oldest hill chain in memory, where India is concerned, the Aravalli Hill chain. And one order by the top court of the country redefined what the genesis and what the Aravalli Hills are. There has been a fair amount of backlash to it, which seems to suggest that 90% of the Aravalli Hill chain, which practically run the ecosystem of North India, not just that, at multiple levels, is in acute danger.
After outrage, the centre clarifies no free-for-all mining in the Aravallis.
अरावली रेंज जो है
Union Environment Minister Bhupender Yadav says strict scientific scrutiny will decide any future permissions. The government insists fears are exaggerated, arguing that the intent is to stop illegal mining, not open the floodgates.
The committee recommend that to ensure sustainable mining in Aravalli Hill and Range, no new mining lease, except in case of critical strategic and atomic mineral.
But critics say that the threat isn't coming by bulldozers, not by dynamite, but by redefining a word. India's oldest mountain range, the Aravallis, the ancient green shield of North India, now faces what activists call its gravest danger yet, erasure on paper. The recent interpretation by the Supreme Court on what qualifies as a hill in the Aravalli range has triggered alarm among environmentalists, lawmakers and conservationists. Under the new reading, only land rising more than 100 meters qualifies for legal protection. An internal Forest Survey of India assessment paints a stark picture. Out of 12,081 mapped hills, only 1,048, just 8.7%, meet this threshold. Nearly 90% of the Aravallis could now lose statutory protection. Across platforms, hashtag Save Aravallis is trending, with citizens, environmentalists and public figures warning that the survival of the range is at stake. The Aravalli Hills play a critical role in Delhi's air quality, blocking PM 2.5 pollutants, arresting dust-laden winds and acting as vital wildlife corridors, a natural defense in a region already gasping for breath. The centre says this is regulation, not dilution. But activists warn definitions can decide destinies. And for the Aravallis, the fight may now be as much in the law books as on the land. Bureau Report, India Today.